Hi, it's me, GBT Married with PMU. Today talk about Mast P60, okay? It's 5 adjustable stroke. By request, I would test the most compatible needles. Of course, vibration compared to different machine as well. The grip feeling, do shading, or when I do lining, which one I like the most. Mast P60 PMU machines, 5 adjustable stroke length. The best machines for ombre powder brows, lip brushing, eyeliner. But GBT is not our distributor. So if you like Mast P60, do not ask me for the discount. See the link below for my online course. Using different camera angles, different illustration, machines, material, what I'm using. So many different elements, different way to explain to you. On latex and live model, more than 80 videos with subtitle translate to any languages you want. Let's do some quick open boxes. Come with menus, 5 adjustable stroke length, 2.2, 2.5, 2.7, 2.9, 3.2. Come with one USB Type-C cable. The cable is similar with iPhone 15. Have another audience ask me how to use these machines. Long press to wake up the machines. One press to start. It is changed to triangle. One press to stop. Long press to shut down. There is how to adjust the stroke length. Simple word: thick skin using higher stroke length, thinner skin using shorter stroke length. When you do shading, higher stroke length, lining, shorter stroke length. There is where to adjust the needle's hand out. Needle's hand out should be about half of the stroke length. But of course, have some exception. Check out the link below. My online course will talk more about detail. The price I ask for is very affordable for everyone. There is how you charge your machines. Put it back is very simple. Puck will lock. Press here to increase the voltage. Press here to decrease the voltage. The less vibration one is always Mast P20. But Mast P60, very less vibration and quiet as well. The needles I'm using all is the same size. This test is based on my personal opinion only. See the icon, this is a setup and the materials I'm using right now. Right now is a fast forward. So far for the shading, the latex is pretty good. But overall quadrant, shading is number 2, but his lining is do very well. So I will pick quadrant. So right now is a battle time. P20 versus P60. I will adjust P60 to 2.5mm stroke length. I use the quadrant needles to test shading and lining. On the lining, I lower down to 4 voltage. For the 2.5mm stroke, I like the Mast P60 a little bit better. Now is P60 versus Y22. Because of P60, they don't have 3.0, I adjust to 2.9mm. The lowest voltage I can go 5 on Y22, so I use 5 volts for lining. In this compare, I still like the P60 a little bit better. Now this compare is a little bit different. I comparing with higher stroke length machines, which is Mast Tour 3.5mm stroke. But Mast P60, the max stroke length is 3.2mm only. But I still want to compare the performance when they using 3-round liners. 3-round liners and up. From my experience, you need more powerful machines, you need to run the voltage a little bit higher and a little bit longer stroke length. Again, check out the link below, I have my online course. There has a way more secret and a way more technique. You might be interested. In this test, I still like the Mast Tours. To run 3-round liners, Mast Tour 3.5mm stroke, I feel like better. Comparing the Mast Siya now. So far, I like Siya to do the PMU lining techniques and pointillism. So on Mast P60, I'm going to set it at 2.9mm stroke length. In this test, I like the Siya better. When my needles get into the practice skin, I feel more response back. The motor is a little bit more powerful. Fold Pro 3.3mm versus P60 3.2mm on tattoo practice skin. I would say the Fold Pro win. Shading about the same, but the lining Fold Pro is more solid on the tattoo practice skin. Of course, I will bring in a model to do a test, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, okay? Now, okay, come on in, come on. Okay, little bit shine, okay? Let me bring him in. Yeah, of course, it's me. Of course, I'm going to tattoo myself. I have another video talk about tattoo myself before. I need to sterilize everything, wrap up the machine using the brand new needles. And of course, Fold Pro win. I knew it. Here is my summaries. If you're just using Mast P60 to replace these two machines, absolutely, the weight and the grip handling is very good. Hope you like this video. We'll see you soon.